The new Kincaid Flex Planter, powered by SRES controls, has the precision that comes with every Kincaid planter, beginning with the Monosim NG row units. What makes the Kincaid Flex Planter so unique is its capability of independently changing row spacing. This innovative design allows for the independent movement of each row unit. This allows you to make row spacings for twin row, bed planting, or more traditional 30-inch rows in half-inch increments. The Kincaid Flex Planter has a base width of 102 inches, which keeps it under legal width when traveling down the road. Also available is a wing option that allows you to plant 4 40-inch rows, and specialized widths are available upon request. The planter can be outfitted with any SRES control options: the Strip, Classic, Classic Air, Advanced, and the Step 4. And like all Kincaid planters, the Flex is upgradable. In addition to having movable row units, the Kincaid Flex Planter has movable seats, dividers, and seed trays. Call Kincaid sales team today for pricing and availability.